Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I'm in Orlando. I am in Disney World, and I am going to make a holiday Mickey Mouse tie-dye shirt. Stay with us! At various Disney resorts, they allow you to make tie-dye shirts. They have one day a week where you can make a tie-dye shirt. Well, we, this time, are making a Christmas one. We had made a Halloween shirt, and we had made a typical tie-dye. But now we are making one for Christmas. And we are starting off, definitely, with red. What we are going to do is we are going to put red on every other area, and then we're going to put green on the areas, every other area that's not red. So take a look. Let's see how it comes out. If you attempt this, remember to put red or green in every little nook and cranny of the shirt so that it doesn't come out too white. Our red is done, so now we're starting with the green. Once that is done, a Disney cast member will roll it up and put it in a bag for you like this. You take it home, you wash it, make sure you get all the colors out, and you dry it. And this is how it came out. Not too bad. I did one in Halloween, and you can go look at that one if you want. It didn't come out as good as the Christmas one. This is side one. Now I'll show you the back side, which I thought was really cool as well. Here we go. And it looks like it has a big R for Rockin' Robin. This is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. We have a lot of Disney videos and videos around Orlando. So please be sure to watch them all. Have a magical day. Merry Christmas.